In a world where customers expect instant responses, businesses can no longer afford delays in communication. Meet vBot, your 24/7 WhatsApp business assistant. From campaign scheduling to automated replies, vBot transforms how your brand connects with customers. Easily manage WhatsApp campaigns. Chat just like the native app, right from your dashboard. Create smart, no-code workflows using the Bot Builder. Let users scan a QR and start chatting instantly. Integrate powerful AI chatbots using 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝐴𝑖. All powered by WhatsApp's official cloud API, with no servers to manage. Whether you're in retail, healthcare, or education, built by 𝗃𝗕nci𝘁. Start automating customer engagement. Visit us today.